The light had to go off now, didn't it? Nice. Please just turn on. Oh no, no. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how you can make easy and cute press-on nails at home for yourself or just for anyone really. So I'm going to start off with these tips I got from Amazon. I will be linking them down below. And here I'm just showing you how I size up the fake tips to my natural nails, and I just make sure that the sidewalls fit perfectly, that it's not too big or not too small. And if you can't find one that's your size, then go a size up and then file the edges. Luckily for me, they all fit really well, and I was able to find a number that fit each finger perfectly. So here I'm just sizing every single nail up, and the shape of these nails are like a coffin, slightly more on the square side, but not too much of a narrow coffin, and I kind of like that. So I thought, let me just show you guys with this style of nails. So here I'm just trying to show you that all fake nails, like, they come with this little tab thing at the end. So here I'm just getting a file, any file, and just filing that off. You can also use a really gritty buffer for this. So now that those are done, I'm taking my buffer. This one's from the Rosalind gel polish kit. I've done some nails on that. If you haven't watched it, I will be linking them down below. It was basically me using dual forms, and the nails came out so nice, so I will be linking that down below. The whole point of this step is to basically, well, buff the surface of the nail, because the gel polish will adhere to it much better compared to a shiny, kind of smooth surface where it can just peel off. The gel polish would just peel off and it wouldn't last as long. So here I am, I'm just making sure that everything is buffed and that the surface is nice and matte, making sure I get every single edge and just checking to see that it's all just buffed. Okay, so now that all the nails are buffed, I'm taking my nail display stand, which I got from AliExpress, but really you can find these on Amazon, which has faster shipping. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting a piece of sticky tack or blue tack or anything sticky that you have. You can also use double-sided tape, and I'm just sticking on the nails to the stand so that when I create my design, it's just easier and much more convenient. So what the products I'm using today are going to be from Young Nails, and also the Coscelia brand that I have. I've also done a review on the collection that I have for that, so I'll be linking that down below. And I'm just painting the whole nail in this like off-white color, because I just thought it would make a nice kind of nude-ish background. This layer won't show too much, so I wasn't too fussed as to what the color was. I just wanted it to be something kind of subtle, nothing too bright, something neutral. So here I'm just painting a very thin layer. You want to keep the layers thin on press-ons, because if you make them too thick, the nails might start to feel a little tight on your fingers when you put them on.
Figure you out now. I see all blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time.
So for this design, I kind of wanted to do like color blocking, kind of like different blocks of color basically. And the name of this gel paint is called, I believe, Fizz, and it's basically the white mission control gel paint from Young Nails. And I also did a review on this on the complete gel paint kit, so I will be linking that down below as well. But these are just amazing gel paints that are very pigmented and are kind of thick. It's like a mix between a builder gel and a gel polish, slightly more on the thicker side. And I'm just creating these blocks of white, and now I'm just using this random cleanup brush I have from, I think, Amazon, that I got in a pack. I'll try to link that set below. And I'm just cleaning up those lines, making sure that they're nice and straight, although it's not too necessary because I will be neatening up that line with some black. And the name of this black is called Overdrive, and it's really amazing and pigmented, just like the white. And these gel paints don't dry with a tacky layer. They are actually just like a no wipe top coat. They don't leave any tacky layer, which makes it so much quicker to do these kind of nails. So here I'm just switching to a bigger brush to just fill in that space quicker. And I really like how these nails turned out, and you will see in the end how amazing they look. Or maybe I would have probably already put it in the thumbnail. So yeah, let me know if you liked these nails and if you would like me to do a similar style of video where I'm using my nail stand. So here I'm just using a top coat. I'm not using a fancy top coat for this because it was just for the purpose of the video. So I just have like a random top coat from Amazon. I got it as a trio with a base, a top coat and a matte top coat. And I'm just using that. I will link that down below. It was quite affordable as well for like a trio of 3. So now that the nails have been cured for 60 seconds under my UV lamp, I'm just removing them from the stand, and the blue tack kind of stuck to the bottom of the nails for some of these, so I just did peel those off. But just make sure that none of the blue tack is left underneath when you're peeling it off, because sometimes some does stay. Okay, so I actually forgot to film how I package press-on nails. If you do sell press-on nails, how you would do it. If not, then you can just skip past this part of the video, and that would be it. But after you've done your press-on nails, by the way, if my nails look different, it's because this is me recording in the future now, because I forgot to do this part. So yeah. Once you have your press-on nails, what I like to do is I have this card that I bought in a pack, and what I do is I kind of size up how much the nails would need, so about there. And what I do is I just grab some scissors and I just create a little cut where I feel like the nails would go, and I usually cut about enough so that the nails would fit, so about there. So I've just cut that square out. That's what I'm going to do now. Don't worry if it's like too big, it's still fine. Okay, this is what the square looks like. if it's not perfect and you want it to be like really nice and straight, then just fix that up. So once you have that, I then get my double-sided tape, which you can find pretty much anywhere, so I'm not going to link the tape, the double-sided sticky tape down below. What I do is I just add a strip of sticky tape right across the from each end, going across, and then what I do is I cut it off. And the good thing about double-sided sticky tape, is that you can just peel whichever end, and then you have a sticky layer for your nails. So what I like to do then is I just stick all the nails on. Oh. And I do this individually for each hand, so it would be 2 different bits of card for each hand. I don't do the box method, just because this works out cheaper and people end up throwing the box anyway. And yeah, so I just feel like this is much better. Now you can leave spaces in between. I just don't do that. It's completely up to you how you want to lay this out. Sorry, my camera's being blurry right now. So this is what it's like, and because there is extra, I will just cut that off. Okay, and once those are like that, what I like to do next is I put them inside a bag. I got these off Amazon. I will link these below. They came in like a huge pack of I think 50 or 100, I'm really not sure, but it's clear inside, and this side it's like foil. So I just open it up if it wants to open, and I just pop the nails inside. Sometimes I do wrap the nails when they have gems and stuff. I do just wrap the nails in like some plastic wrap and tape them up with normal tape. And then what I do is I put in a glue. I got this glue off Amazon, and it came in a pack of 20 for about £4 or something. I will also link that down below. And I provide a glue. And like I said, if you are interested, do go check out the Depop link below, because I do sell press-on nails for pretty cheap. And I also got this pack of files, which are nice. They are just double-sided. One's a slightly smoother side and one's more of a rougher side. And I also put that inside. And I put the file away from the nails, and I just in case the file does end up scratching up the nails or anything, then I just shut that. And then obviously, because it needs to be posted, and if you're going to be posting the nails, you're probably going to have to end up putting them in an envelope. So I was able to find a huge pack of envelopes as well that perfectly fit this whole package. So it's actually very convenient for me. What I do, I just put it in this way, so that when I take it out, it's a bit of like a surprise. And I just pop that inside, just like that, and it fits really well. And then I just put a piece of tape along there, and then I write the person's address over here, and then I will ship them off. I don't think I can link these envelopes down below, because I got them from my local post office, so I don't think that I can find these on Amazon. I will try to see if I can find them, and I will link them below if they do have some. But yeah, that's all, because I did get everything else off Amazon, so it would be great to find these off Amazon too, but unfortunately I found these at my post office. So yes, that's that on packaging. I'm gonna start showing you how I apply these to my nails. So for the purpose of this video, I applied a peel off base coat so that these don't last long. I can just peel them off straight after. But what you would do is you would buff the nail and remove cuticle if you had to, and then do what I just did, apply the glue either to the nail tip or the nail bed. I prefer applying it to the nail bed, and then I'm just giving it a good press, and it should stay. And that's what the first nail looks like. And now I'm just going to do that for the rest of the nails. this glue that I got, I don't really recommend it because the bottle keeps falling every single time and it always makes a mess. So I would just recommend getting like one of those the ones in the really skinny round bottles. I don't know what they're called, but they're not in like a big bottle like this. It's basically the same kind of idea, but it's like with the glue bottle has a tip and you just squeeze that onto your nail. I just think that's so much easier. So here I am just sticking them on, and I really like how these nails turned out. I got this idea as inspiration from Instagram. I will link the person's Instagram down below if I find them. And yeah, I really love these nails. Let me know down below what you think and if you would wear these and if this has helped you in any way. I also wanted to mention that I do sell press-on nails on Depop. Put it on screen now if you are interested in buying press-on nails from me. I do sell press-on nails for ranging between £6 to £13, and I do include a file and free glue as well as free shipping. So if you're interested, please give me a follow on there or DM me on Instagram and I'll be sure to get back to you. So now that all the nails are done, I'm just making sure that they're all on, and I really like them. You see how I had to put the glue in like that little square thing? It's because it kept falling, so it was just a mess. So anyway, this is what the final result looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to say a big thank you for everyone who watches my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!